Kenvue, a world-leading consumer health company based in the US, has launched an action to build a sustainable supply chain in China, aiming to be more environmentally friendly throughout the supply chain. Thibaut Mongen, Chief Executive Officer of Kenvue, said the company will pour more investment into the Chinese market for the action and bring more high-quality products to Chinese consumers.
We will invest 110 million yuan to expand our manufacturing capacity and upgrade production facilities to bring more high-quality products to Chinese consumers. So improving supply chain capacity and getting close to our consumers is part of embracing the Chinese market.
Kenvue, formerly known as Johnson & Johnson Consumer Health, has 1 R&D center, 4 plants, and 10 logistics centers in China. Kenvue China has achieved progress in plastic and waste reduction, energy and water saving by exploring innovative technologies and promoting digital resolutions.